Welcome to Dinosaur series on Kidfable channel. It's a small world after all. Hi, it's me Wati. So we were talking about dinosaur, about fossil finds from the genus Ankylosaurus. And one of the things that we noted was that there were some fossils found in South Africa that were referred to the species Aardonyx, which literally translates to earth claw. Well, turns out those fossils were actually from a completely different animal. See, these fossils were found back in 2015 and the original researchers thought that they had discovered a new species of ankylosaur. Ankylosaurus was a genus of armored dinosaur that lived during the late Triassic and early Jurassic periods. The group includes the famous Stegosaurus and also the oddly named Kentrosaurus, which we talked about in a previous episode. But these new fossils didn't quite match up with any of the known species of ankylosaur, so they were classified as their own thing, a new species of Aardonyx. But now paleontologists have taken a second look at those fossils and have decided that they actually do fit in with a known species of ankylosaur, just not the one that the original researchers thought. See, the fossils were actually referred to the species Ankylosaurus stegosus, which means armor of the lizard. And this particular species only has two known specimens, both of which are from the same fossil site in South Africa. The other specimen was found a few hundred kilometers away from where the first one was found. And based on the fact that these two fossils were so geographically close to each other, the original researchers assumed that they were dealing with a new species of Aardonyx. But after taking a closer look at the fossils and comparing them to other species of Ankylosaurus, paleontologists have determined that these specimens actually fall well within the range of variation of Ankylosaurus stegosus. So it's not a new species of Aardonyx, but it is a new species of Ankylosaurus. Now this might seem like kind of a small update, but it's actually a pretty big deal. Not only does it push back the known range of this species of Ankylosaurus further to the south, but it also means that there are now four named species of Ankylosaurus that are known from the same fossil site. And this just goes to show that there were lots of different kinds of armored dinosaurs living in what is now South Africa. During the early Jurassic period, I don't know about you, but I find it pretty cool that we can learn something new about a dinosaur that we previously thought we already knew pretty much everything about. It just goes to show that there is still so much that we don't know about the natural world that I think is pretty exciting. So what should we talk about next? Please let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next chapter.